Are you looking for the best roofing nail gun in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best roofing nail gun that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Pneumatic Coil Roofing Nailer. For a roofing nailer that doesn't break the bank, the Pneumatic Coil Roofing Nailer is a great choice. The nail gun fires 11-gauge nails and has a large capacity with a quick release mechanism in case of jams. It has an adjustable shingle guide, allowing for better depth control and better shingle spacing. It has a rubber grip for reduced fatigue. The nailer comes with a bottle of oil, assorted hex wrenches, and a convenient carrying case. "I'm a professional carpenter," explained one customer. "I bought this because I needed it as cheap as possible, because I knew I would use it maybe just once, and it works amazing, and it's a third of the price of the other ones." Another reviewer wrote, "This gun never missed a beat on my first 25 square foot house. I bought 2 for the price of what it normally would cost for one, and they've both done superb." Up next in the 4th place is the DeWALT 20V Max Lithium-Ion 15-degree Cordless Roofing Nailer Kit. The DeWALT 20V Max Lithium-Ion 15-degree Cordless Roofing Nailer Kit is both easy to use and easy to transport. It's completely battery-powered, with bump mode and a tool-free depth adjustment wheel for productivity and accuracy. It has a convenient belt hook for transport and a bag for storage. The nailer can drive a broad range of roofing nail sizes, with an accommodating tool-free nail tray. "I bought this gun with the idea it would be for pickup work," wrote one customer. "I'm a roofing and siding contractor. We did a 40 square foot roof with this gun without an issue. I have other DeWALT tools, so I have 6 batteries. As long as you put them on the charger, you will never have to stop nailing. I highly recommend this gun." The 3rd product on our list is the Ryobi P320 Airstrike 18V1 Plus Lithium-Ion Cordless Brad Nailer. Though typically used for jobs like molding, brad nails can work well with wood shingles. The Ryobi P320 Airstrike 18V1 Plus Lithium-Ion Cordless Brad Nailer can deliver as many as 700 nails per charge. It has easy depth adjustment, with an onboard dialer to set the preferred depth. The nailer has a dry fire lockout, which stops fires without nails loaded and prevents potential damage. LED lights make it easier to see the work surface. "I'm a professional trim carpenter, now retired," one reviewer wrote, "and I have used air compressors and nail guns for more than 40 years. For little projects, it is a hassle to get out all the big stuff for just a few finished nails, so after doing all the research, I ordered this nailer. It's nice to do some small project and get the job done quicker than ever." Second on our list is the Makita N454 Roofing Coil Nailer. The Makita N454 Roofing Coil Nailer offers users a simple, one-step open and adjustable nail canister. This allows for a quicker and more accurate experience when loading nails. The machine has a faster driving speed, tool-less drive adjustment, and a built-in magnet for precision down to the last nail. The aluminum housing and removable nose piece make it easy to maintain for long-lasting efficacy. "This is a great roofing nailer," wrote one reviewer. "I recently used it for the first time on one of our jobs, and it performed flawlessly. It's lightweight and drives the nails easily with no misfires throughout the project." Another wrote, "Consistent fires, easy loading, worth every penny. Thus far, I've shot just over 5,000 electro-galvanized nails. Not a single misfire, including on the very last nail of each coil." Finally, the top product on our list is the Rigid 15-degree Coil Roofing Nailer. Not much is as frustrating as a kink in a hose job. It also has a 360-degree swivel fitting to prevent breaks. The nailer itself has as load and dry fire lockout features. The exhaust diffuser and anti-skid plates make it very user-friendly. This is the first roofing nailer I have ever owned, one customer wrote, and I am glad I bought it. I have used framing nailers, brad nailers, and finish nailers, but never a roofing nailer. I will be buying another one very soon. According to another customer, it is a very nice tool worth the money. I did 14 square feet with it and had no issues. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.